What is up, guys? Welcome back to NV Garage, and in today's video we're gonna fix a broken cable which unfortunately oxidized inside of a connector, which results in only two fan settings, either full blast or off. And while we're at it, we're also gonna change out the fan assembly itself because the motor bearing seems to be broken, which results in just a horrible noise when the fan is turned on. So without further ado, let's go! So as you can see, this is the broken connector. Fiat actually does produce a repair kit for this, I have it here, but it comes without any instructions whatsoever, but I think we should be able to figure this out on our own. I'm gonna start by taking a few pictures of the old connector so we know which cable goes where, because the new cable has actually different colors than the old one. They have different thicknesses, and yeah, the connector also has a few empty ports. Okay, so this is the old connector. Now it's out. I actually do need the light right now because I want to see. Okay, that looks interesting. That's wet. That's really interesting. Question is now, where do I cut these cables or the other cables, because I honestly think that I should cut them a little bit further up, because the cable, the isolation itself has already discolored, and that is something that shouldn't be. Well, there. I was quite confused right now, but yeah. Well, I'm gonna cut them a bit further up. I think this should be in frame right now. Okay, connector's in now, and now comes the moment of truth. Perfect. Well, let's have a look. Okay. Yes. And this is what I was talking about earlier. Can you hear this? This sound? Because that's the sound of the broken, or possibly broken bearing I was talking about earlier. Yeah, but that's an easy fix, I guess. Just give me a second. I guess that's it then for today. I mean, as you can see and hear, it works. It is not silent, but not as loud as it was before. And it also has back the control here, which is absolutely lovely. That's it for today, guys. I hope you had fun watching today's episode. Like, subscribe, leave us some feedback down below. We're just at the beginning and constantly trying to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. And as always, peace!